This YouTube channel was created just 15 days ago. It uploaded only 4 shorts, yet somehow it crossed 11 million views, gained over 65,000 subscribers, and according to analytics tools, has the potential to generate thousands of dollars every month. Naturally, I wanted to know how, so I spent hours analyzing every video, and eventually I discovered 3 patterns that were present in every single upload. Pattern number 1, a recognizable 3D cartoon style. Pattern number 2, magical storytelling. Pattern number 3, a voice that instantly grabs attention. So I challenged myself. Could I recreate this entire system using only free AI tools? That's exactly what we're going to do today. My first discovery was surprising. The creator wasn't randomly creating videos. They had a repeatable system. So I built my own version. I call it the video generation engine. I pasted the master prompt into Claude AI. As you can see, I'm using the free plan. The first thing Claude asks is the video language. Once I select it, something interesting happens. Instead of one idea, it generates 5 different viral story ideas. I chose this one. Then Claude automatically writes a complete 2 to 3 minute story script. If you're not happy with any part, you can edit it. Otherwise, simply type, yes, continue. At this point, we have a story, but we still don't have something even more important. A character viewers can remember. While analyzing the channel, I noticed something. The same grandfather appeared again and again. That's one of the reasons the channel feels like a real series. Claude now asks whether Dadaji already exists. Since this is our first video, we'll generate him from scratch. I clicked, generate the character prompt for me. Claude instantly generates a detailed character prompt. It also generates a file name. Now let's bring Dadaji to life. Open Google Flow. You'll find the link in the description. Create a new project. Then click character in the left sidebar. Paste the Dadaji prompt. While Flow is generating, return to Claude and copy the file name. Once the image is ready, rename the character using the file name suggested by Claude. And just like that, Dadaji is ready. But Dadaji alone won't solve the problem. The environments must also remain consistent. One thing I noticed in the viral channel was that locations kept returning. Viewers subconsciously recognize those places, so I replied, yes. Claude now generates prompts for every environment used in the story. Let's create the first one. Switch to image mode, select the 1:1 aspect ratio, paste the environment 1 prompt. A few seconds later, the environment appears. Copy the file name suggested by Claude, rename the environment image using the same process. I generated every environment required by the story. Now our world is complete. This next step is where everything starts becoming a real movie. Reply with yes. Claude now breaks the entire script into scenes. But we're not done yet. Claude now generates image prompts for every scene. Each scene includes the exact image prompt, character used, environment used, camera angle, visual action. Let's generate scene 1, type at, then select the village lane environment. Next, copy the scene 1 image prompt, paste it into Flow, make sure image mode is selected. Since we're creating YouTube shorts, choose the 9:16 aspect ratio. Click send. Within seconds, scene 1 is ready, rename it scene_1. Then download it using the same process. I generated every scene in the story, and for the first time, the complete story was visible. But these are still just images. To go viral, they need motion. I replied, yes. Claude now generates image to video prompts for every scene. Let's animate scene 1. Go to Meta AI, choose create video, upload scene 1, paste the scene 1 video prompt, then click generate. A few seconds later, the image becomes a video clip. Using the same process, I generated every scene. The story was finally moving, but then I hit a problem. Every clip contained a Meta AI watermark. At first, I thought this would ruin the workflow. Then I found a solution. Click share, copy the video link, open Manus AI, paste the link, download the watermark free version, It works, but honestly, I don't recommend it. Here's the faster method. Right-click the video, choose Inspect, click the selector icon, select the video, double-click the video URL, copy it, open a new tab, paste the link, press enter. Now download the video. Same video, no watermark. At this point, we have a complete animated video, yet something still feels missing. Remember the third pattern? The voice says go to 11 labs. Even the free plan provides 10,000 monthly credits. Open voices, search for Raunak, add the viral real voice to your library. Open text to speech, select Raunak, paste the complete script, click generate. Within seconds, the voiceover is ready. Download the audio file, but raw AI audio isn't enough. Open Audacity, import the downloaded voiceover, select the full audio, go to Effect, Volume and Compression, normalize, use the values shown on screen. Next, EQ and filters, filter curve EQ, factory presets, treble boost, apply low roll-off for speech, apply bass boost, then apply these bass and treble settings. Next, apply compressor, finally apply limiter, export the final audio, listen to the difference. Now we finally have every ingredient: characters, environments, images, videos, voiceover. Open your favorite video editor, import the edited voiceover, drag it to the timeline. Next, import all generated video clips, place them in the correct sequence. This is the most important step. Sync every clip with the narration. Take your time here. Once everything is synchronized, preview the entire video, then export the final version. And this is the final results. But before uploading, there's one final thing. Go back to Claude, paste the viral meta engine prompt. Claude now generates multiple titles, descriptions, hashtags, upload checklist. Use these when publishing your video. So let's look at what happened. We started with a channel that exploded to more than 65,000 subscribers in just 15 days. We reverse engineered its entire workflow, built our own AI production system, created characters, created environments, generated scenes, animated them for free, removed watermarks, created professional voiceovers, enhanced them in Audacity, edited everything in Filmora, and even generated viral metadata, all using free AI tools. If you found this breakdown useful, hit the like button and subscribe. And if you're serious about building a storytelling channel with AI, you definitely don't want to miss the above video.